Welcome to 3 tutorials. This video is gonna be all about the input type email. So let's get started. First, we're gonna have our form, label, input. We're gonna get rid of this, and we're gonna change this to email. Let's add our label, email. Now let's check the browser. Now let's test the validation. So let's put anything, and it's refused. But let's add an at and try again. Let's add at anything.com. Let's try this time, and it passes. Let's say we want a specific type of email. Let's say Gmail. Now we're gonna go back to VS Code. I'm gonna add the pattern here. Now here we're gonna put dot, then we're gonna add the plus. Then let's say we want a Gmail account, so at email.com. Now let's go back to the browser. Now let's try anything again, at yahoo.com. Here we can see it's not working. Now let's try gmail.com, and here we can see that it's working. Now we're gonna add some more attributes. First, we're gonna start with the length attribute, so minimum length. We can set it to 10, for example, and we're gonna add also a maximum, so max length, let's say 60. One more thing we can add is title. Let's say please enter a Gmail account. Now let's check the browser. Here, if we hover over the box, you can see the message. Now let's go back and add a final attribute. It's gonna be the placeholder, and let's put it user at gmail.com. Now let's check the browser, and here's our placeholder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.